everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a little bit of a casual setup today because the sun was out this morning, so I thought I'd get some light, but then I realized it was only on half of my face, and then I just said, whatever, we're just gonna keep going. I have a new little makeup organizer. In my last video, I asked if you guys had any tips for storing and keeping makeup. I think this is good for now. It's a good temporary solution, but you can see there's lots of stuff that I've received from my beauty boxes over the last few months. So far it's pretty handy, but I definitely will be looking at other things when I move and when things change around and all of that stuff. The real reason we're here today is for our January little known box. But first, before we dive into that, I wanted to share with you something that I signed up for last year and finally am sort of seeing the fruits of. I signed up for the Glamour Beauty Club. So it's like Glamour magazine. They have something called the Glamour Beauty Club, and it's for people in the UK, and they send you emails about events going on in London, like beauty events, and the whole idea why I signed up was you get free samples of stuff. And today I received my first free sample. I think it's at least 3 months after I first signed up, and I received my first sample, and it's actually a full size, came in this bag, a full size dry shampoo. Unfortunately, it broke in the bag, in the packaging. I appreciate that they tried to, have as minimal packaging as possible, but it did break. It's a Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo for brunettes, and I tried it this morning and it's great. It doesn't smell horrible. I sprayed this 20 minutes ago and I don't smell a thing. And when you do spray it, it smells fine. I didn't get that it was brown, it sprayed on, and when it sprayed on, it looked kind of white, but it blended right in, and it says it helps disguise roots, so I'm guessing maybe that's if you have gray hair and you dye it brown, then it might disguise your gray roots, but it didn't look brown coming out of the can. It just seemed to kind of be transparent and blended in with the hair. So I really liked that. They're gonna email me to give a full review of the product. I got it for free. The Glamour Beauty Club is totally free to sign up. So if you're in the UK and wanna test that out, I will let you guys know on this channel if anything else comes through in terms of the free samples. But I thought that was pretty fun. So let's get to the main event, the little known box for January. So pretty. I have a couple of lights going on trying to fill in, but it's not, you can't compare it to sun, right? Winter Saviours for January 2020. Ooh, lots of good full-size products in there. That's excellent. So first, let's go in order of the little pamphlet that they have. First is the Seacret Spa Facial Toner. Here it is. It's a little dusty. That's what you get when you use black filler, right? Nice white products. Facial toner. That looks really lovely. I'm using a pure rose water toner, and that has been great. So if you're looking to minimize all your toxins and chemicals, a very, very simple toner is the pure rose water toners. Those are fabulous. But I really am looking forward to trying this. This is for oily, problematic skin. And I only have oily, problematic skin when I'm trying new products. Yeah, I tried a new kind of BB cream last week and that made me break out all over my chin. So having a toner to clear up after trying new products is kind of a good thing, right? Ooh, this actually smells a little bit like rose water. This definitely has a lot more ingredients than the one I was using with just rose water, but it smells pretty good, and I'm looking forward to trying that. Let's see what it says. Formulated with original Dead Sea ingredients, hypoallergenic, tested, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. Suitable for normal, oily, and problematic skin types. It retails for $31.50, so that's a pretty pricey toner. Use a cotton ball and sweep all over the face and neck. I'm looking forward to trying that. That's a very nice, fancy looking product. So next, this is a full skincare routine, I think. Next we have the MONU Skincare Exfoliating Enzyme in full size. Exfoliate, smooths, and refines the skin, leaving it visibly brighter. It's the perfect alternative to a scrub for a deep and thorough exfoliation. The natural fruit acids help reduce the appearance of pores and encourages cell renewal. Apply 1 to 2 times per week after cleansing and toning. Avoid the eye and lip area. Okay, so that's a 1 to 2 time a week skincare product. Excellent. I think they've had a MONU in there before. Maybe it was in one of my other boxes. I don't remember. Cool. Let's see. This is the Bloomtown Botanicals Lip Balm. I love lip balm. Ooh, in Bloomtown, I think they had the candle or something. They had something that I really liked in a previous box. Products are made in Cornwall and crafted with fine ingredients. This natural vegan lip balm is a refreshing avo mint flavor. It's a glossy feel. Nice. So it's avocado oil and peppermint oil. That is perfect. My go-to is the Burt's Bees Natural Peppermint Balm, which I use all day long. Oh, that smells good. That is so perfect for me. That retails at £5.70. Oh, and I didn't say the exfoliation treatment retails for £30. So we are already up to well above 60 pounds for this box. 65 pounds with this. This is great. Number 4, Anti-Trouble Bubble Cleanser, travel size. That's a pretty good travel size. That's a really good travel size. It's not like a teeny tiny 2-use thing. Anti-Tea Series Mini Kit Bubble Cleanser. That looks Korean? Yes. YADAH is a fabulous Korean beauty brand that we're introducing to you. Gentle yet effective botanical skincare. It's a bestseller. Cleanses the skin. A few pumps of this daily cleanser can help keep skin concerns at bay. Retails for $5.99. Excellent. That is a perfect morning skin cleanser to start you off fresh. It's a little funny when you can't read the ingredients because they're in a different language, but I'm not too sensitive with stuff right now, so this should be good. That's cute packaging too. So we have a whole skincare routine in this box this month. And last we have Figs and Rouge Silhouette Refiner. Retails at £28. What is it? It's a triple action firming and toning lotion. So this must be the moisturizing part of your routine. Apply to stubborn, unloved areas that are prone to cellulite. Oh no, it's not for your face. For thighs, stomach, and arms. Use morning and evening on clean, dry skin. Massage into the skin. Ensure that all of the serum is fully absorbed. Okay, so while the rest of the products really are for your face, this one seems to be for your body. Contour and Sculpt Body Lotion stimulates microcirculation and improves the removal and storage of fat cells. Really? That's quite a claim. Active ingredients are honeysuckle flower extract, peroxisome proliferator activated receptor. Wow. Caffeine and artichoke extract. I was waiting for the caffeine. Usually cellulite creams have caffeine in them, so I would not recommend using this in the evening. Use it in the morning so it does not disrupt your sleep. Use it on your butt and your thighs. That's for my butt, for my butt, for my butt. I guess you can use it on your stomach and arms too. Interesting. Ooh, it's an expensive looking bottle. It's still the morning here, so I can put a little on my hand. Doesn't smell like too much. It has a very neutral smell. Kind of almondy. Not quite, but more almondy than fruity, I think. So that's cool. I look forward to trying that after a shower. I feel like this box is a perfect, like, clean start, clean January detox from all of the holiday festivities. I like that this is a really, really high value box. I'll add it all up and put it on the screen. And These definitely are new brands to me. I've heard of a couple of them, I think, from Little Known Box before, but I like that they are really sticking to like try new brands, and like these high retail priced full-size items really make me feel like I'm getting my value for my money. So I really appreciate that. And I have this subscription at least until March. Little Known Box does automatically renew your subscription, so keep that in mind if you are subscribed. I wasn't sure if it was going to for me. My Love Lula box subscription did not automatically renew, so I missed a couple of months, but I'll be having another Love Lula box in February. And that's about it. Thank you for joining me today. This was a really fun box. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Have you tried this box? Is there another beauty box you'd really like me to try and take a look at? I'd be happy to test one out and show it to you guys. I'll be back soon in February, second week of February for Glossy Box and Birchbox. And we'll see you very soon. Take good care of each other. Bye!